Hey YouTube, I'm back with the product review and I want to go back on one of the videos I just made which involved the Logitech Muse, that little pencil, and the Apple Vision Pros. And I want to go back and do this video not over, but I want to do another review because when I made that video, the Logitech Muse had just came out. I think it was like only a week old. Actually, I bought it when it came out and it came 3 days later that I made that video. But I want to do the video over because there has been no developers that made the product or made software for the Muse. So finally today I found someone, a company, a software, an app that actually uses the Muse with the haptic touch and everything. So I want to make that video. I want you to see exactly how you can really use the Muse. And this is very early. This is one app, so I can imagine the potential this thing has. I said I was going to return this thing. I bought it when I was in London, so I did end up returning it, but I bought it when I came back to the US. So I do have it again, the Apple Muse, the Logitech Muse, and I'm very excited for this one, so here we go. Okay, so let's do Vision Pros. By the way, I did a little review on the new headband that Apple came out with, and when I tell you this thing is amazing, oh, I love it. It is probably my favorite accessory that I've ever had because this is so comfortable on my head. But anyways, let's get this going. All right, record this. Okay, I have the Vision Pros on my head, as you can see, and we're going to get the Muse. I'm actually really loving it right now with this new app, so let's get into it. There we go. Here we are. So you see the green tip. And so there is the tip. And if I want to, I feel a haptic touch when I hit the back button. And then that's the front button. And then I want to maybe bring the thickness down. Go smaller. So check this out. And that is a 3D image of, let's see, let's do the Olympic rings. One. How did the Olympic rings go? I think that's the Olympic rings. Something like that. Whatever. All right. So that's the drawing. But check this out, which makes it even better. I'm going to draw on this. I'm not pressing anything. So if I even want to, I didn't like the picture that was coming out. So just writing. And that's like on a surface, haptic touch everything. And this is amazing. This is going to be something crazy. Let me see if I can change, let's see, taper. Okay, see if that works. Okay, that's not normal. Let's go normal. Let's go pencil, actually. Ooh, nice. Okay. So let's go colors. And then let's do black. And let me write a message to you guys. This is amazing. So there is the Muse Pencil, got a green tip. This is amazing. And this is like early. I already know this is very early. Once this gets more and more developers get on this, it's going to be crazy. I mean, like, come on. I wrote my wife a letter or a message earlier today on it. So I thought that was pretty cool. But this is me actually really playing with it. Oh, I actually have to do, let's clear it. I do want to do, mess with the other settings. Let's see what that is. Symmetry. Ooh, okay. So we got symmetry, we got rotation. I don't know what any of this does. Oh, wow. It does a whole bunch of them. And then you have, let's do mirror. So if I do, oh, fire. Oh, that's it. Okay, then we got translational. Oh, that's dope. I don't know what you use this for, but that's pretty cool. And then the last one will be kaleidoscope. That's pretty cool. That's like the butterfly thing where you do. Now, what do you see in this picture? I see a butterfly. Well, I see. That's pretty cool. And then segments 12. Let's see what that is. Ooh. Oh, that's sick. So if I do, oh, it's literally doing one by one. Okay. A circle. Oh, that's dope. I'm like in a cage right now. And then you have, yeah, that's, okay, spacing. Point spacing. What does this do? So I'm just messing around with it, trying to see what it does. Settings for the front button, draw. So you press the button when you want to draw in the air, and then undo. And then when you're on like your lap or something, as you can see, you can draw, and it basically just draws on a surface. I'm like literally on it. You can hear it. That's on the surface, which is pretty cool. All right, cool. So that's the Logi Muse for the Vision Pros. The first developer that I've seen, and I am impressed. I do like it. I am happy for the buy, and I am happy for what's to come with this augmented reality with the Vision Pros. And I want to make another video when it stops raining out here of like drawing out in the middle of nowhere, not in the middle of nowhere, but like out in the city with the Logi Muse. But this is pretty cool. I'm very impressed. And like I said, just to recap on my first video with this, I hope this helps new people, new buyers, people that returned it, maybe purchase it back, because there is potential, like I said in the beginning. I also said this about the Vision Pros also, that when it came out, this is going to be the biggest thing. This is like the new computer. And you see everybody like Meta glasses, the Meta displays, you got those. You have all these companies doing this. So Apple was ahead of the game. Yeah, it's expensive, but it's the best. They put a lot of effort and money into it, so I would invest in this as opposed to a $500 product that Google and everybody else is coming out with. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I hope I'll see you again.